coming here. So, see you Sonder. I'm here now in the Hamburg State Park now. This one, the park. Hamburg State Park. Have a car coming. This one, Georgia. The history part of Georgia. Hey guys. I'm going here. But don't have parking lot. It's weird. Have a boat. Is if you want to boating, you're boating in the lake. Have a lake in here. You valid to boat. Yeah, to rent the boat in here. But you lose the alligator. Watch the alligator kay paakon jud kas alligator kung di ka mag-watch sa alligator kani may mga boat in here. Yeah, no swimming kay ganga ang alligator. Ayan. No swimming kay nag-anganga ang alligator in here. Nagnanga ang alligator mo ng no swimming. Yan. Her kung mag-ano ka, isingan ana, kung gusto mong mag-rent ng boat kani magboboting ka dito. Yan. Na dito. Have a fishing too. Na po magpipising kung gusto mo magpising. Interesting. I want to pay the boat. Okay. That is interesting for me. Wow. It's good. Oh my God! The water falling down! Look the river. I not see it crocodile. I looking the crocodile, the alligator. Stay alligator. I not see it the alligator. The alligator is not her. The water is color yellow. That is the water in her color yellow. Color yellow the water because it's always raining a lot, heavy raining. Past 2 days. Why is the water is not blurred? The water is color yellow. interesting for me. My adventure for today is going to the Hamburg Park, state of Georgia. Yeah, this is the Georgia state park. This is my first time to going here this park. I'm always back in the other park, but this is my new discovered park in here in Georgia right now. But oh look, I'm missing the waterfall coming the dam. It's going down, but not valid to swimming. No, not valid to swimming in the dam because have alligator, and the hair is not valid to swimming. This is the braids, roads under the water of river. But I don't know where going the alligator. I not see the alligator. He said have alligator, but don't have alligator. To all park I'm going, he said have alligator, but don't have said alligator. Amazing. Thank you so much for watching. That is my adventure for today. My vlog for today is going to the part of state part of Georgia, sa Hamburg part of Georgia. Nagbago ang aking isip nga magpunta ko today sa Huntington Island, pero ngayon ay dito na sa Hamburg part, state of Georgia. Okay, bye bye, see you next video. That is the lake, is valid to boating. That's one, the big lake to valid to boating around, but you bring your own kayak, because now for now is about the boat is not valid to rent because about the pandemic right now. Yeah, if you want to kayak, you bring your own kayak to make it kayaking in here. This one is over there. Yeah, it's over here. If you're walking, yeah, it's valid to walking in here. The grill walking that is starting in here, going around like that, going around. But now I'm not going to walking. I take the video only in the link a little bit because no have a time to walking. It's cold. It's cold outside. Next time in the summer I come back, or okay now the ang panahon, pwede na akong pwede akong maglalakad sa doon sa over there, mayroong nagpicnic yon. Nagpicnic doon, nagdala sila ng kanilang car nga may house na sa loob. Doon over there. Malayo. Okay, bye bye.